welcome to today's tip. I've got a fun one for you today. Now, I've been doing some potato printing with my kids to make some wrapping paper this year, and I thought it would be really lovely to put it on a layout. So what you need is half a potato cut as straight as you can. Just use a mega knife so it's one smooth cut all the way through, and then being really careful not to do anything to your hands. All I'm going to do is cut out, this is a craft knife, which I find a lot easier than a kitchen knife, and all I'm going to do is just cut out a tree. It is a little bit tricky because you can't see overly what you're doing. So yeah, just carefully carving out the branches. That one's kind of cut a bit too far, and you can correct it pretty easily. And then just cutting out the bits that you don't want. Okay, so we have a tree cut out of potato, nice and easy. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my cardstock. I've used this lovely brown one because I'm going to be using some lovely bright colours. Then what I recommend to do is kind of creating a little bit of a blend. So I've got light to dark, I've got this lovely quinacridone magenta acrylic, and I've got some white here because I'm going to make up a pink, and I've just got some really cheapy reds here as well. Alright, I'm just going to mix them all around. Alright, we'll have a go with those two, I think, and see where it takes us. So I have layered up my acrylic paint with my brayer onto my potato. I've done a little test print here, and then I'm just going on and I'm just going to gather a bit more paint because I've moved it around on my palette now, so I can add a bit more paint onto there. I like the look of it being mixed up, so you've got darker bits in some areas, lighter bits in others. I think I might put some down the back here as well. Oops, that one was a bit wonky because I didn't line it up properly. There we go. So we're starting to build up our forest. Now I might leave it like that because it's so bright and I don't want it taking over my entire page. But when I go to add in my photographs, what I think I will do is choose some nice bright pink backgrounds to my photos, so it really brings out the trees. One final thing that I love to do is just get my white acrylic paint, put a little blob on my palette. I'm just going to collect a little bit of white paint, dab off a bit, and then I'm going to make it snow. Now you might want to add some more snow, or you might even want to add some glitter. You can pretty much do whatever you want, but I just wanted to show you the potato printing because I've been doing it over the weekend, making up some cool wrapping paper. So I hope you have enjoyed today. It's a really fun thing to do, and if you've got kids, then it's a really lovely thing to do at Christmas too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.